welcome back. Now, one of the ways that you can make an appearance in media is to connect with journalists on your sphere of expertise. And you can use a site like helpareporter.com. What you'll want to do is to set up a source account. And in order to do that, you'll need to sign up. Now, once you've set up your HARO account, you'll want to make sure to read the terms of service. You'll also then want to read the source information. In particular, you'll want to read the source parameters so that you'll understand how the process works. You'll also then want to read the rules for sources. Once you've done that, you'll then want to monitor your email box for emails from HARO. And what you'll begin doing is monitoring HARO to determine if there is something in your area of expertise for you to answer as a source to the press. What you'll then do is to respond to the query with your qualifications and your pitch for their story. And this will give you an opportunity to appear in the press for your area of expertise. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.